Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced infantry fighting vehicles ever developed, the T-15 Armata, Russia's next-generation combat vehicle designed to accompany its sibling, the T-14 Armata tank. Though they use the same platform, the T-15 is designed to transport infantry safely on the battlefield while delivering powerful firepower. The T-15 is built on the Armata Universal Combat Platform, meaning it shares the same chassis as the T-14. This gives it high mobility, modular construction, and strong protection. Unlike many traditional armored vehicles, the T-15 has its engine placed in the front, offering additional protection for troops seated in the rear. This vehicle is large and powerful, weighing over 48 tons. It can carry up to 9 fully equipped soldiers along with 3 crew members. Its protection system includes composite armor, explosive reactive armor, and the Afghanet Active Protection System, which can detect and intercept incoming threats like missiles and rockets before they strike. This makes it one of the most well-protected infantry vehicles in the world. For firepower, the T-15 uses an unmanned turret. It usually includes a 30mm autocan, a 7.62mm machine gun, and Kornet anti-tank guided missiles. Some versions may even have a 57mm automatic cannon. This powerful combination allows the T-15 to target infantry, armored vehicles, helicopters, and tanks at long distances. With modern fire control systems and thermal sights, it can operate effectively day or night and in any weather. Inside the vehicle, crew members use advanced digital controls with high-tech displays that show real-time information about the battlefield. Its communication systems let it work closely with other units and vehicles, making it a part of Russia's modern network-based warfare strategy. Despite its heavy weight, the T-15 has impressive mobility. It's powered by a 1,500 horsepower diesel engine, reaching speeds up to 65 km/h on roads and handling rough terrain with ease. Its advanced suspension system helps it stay stable and move smoothly even off-road. The T-15 was first shown to the public in the 2015 Moscow Victory Day Parade. Since then, it has been undergoing testing and evaluation. While it's not yet produced in large numbers due to its cost and complexity, it represents a major step forward in the design of armored combat vehicles for Russia's ground forces. What makes the T-15 truly different is that it combines the roles of both an infantry fighting vehicle and a tank. It has much more armor and heavier weapons than typical IFVs, allowing it to fight alongside main battle tanks in dangerous combat zones. This shows how modern warfare is changing, requiring vehicles to be more flexible, better protected, and smarter. In summary, the T-15 Armata is a powerful and advanced vehicle. It protects soldiers, delivers strong firepower, and adapts to modern combat needs. It's not just a transport vehicle, but a key part of battlefield operations with both protection and attack capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about military technology and the world's most powerful combat machines. See you next time.